Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into the Honor Magic 6 Pro, a flagship offering from the renowned Chinese brand Honor. This phone has made quite a splash in the market and we are here to see if it lives up to the hype. First of all, let's talk about its design. The Magic 6 Pro boasts a sleek and premium build with its glass and metal construction. It feels sturdy in the hand and looks absolutely stunning. But the big question on everyone's mind is the price. The Magic 6 Pro launched in China with a starting price of 5,699 yuan, which is roughly $793 or 66,000 rupees in India. If you are going for the top tier 16GB plus 512GB variant, it will cost you 6,199 yuan or about 873 US dollars or 73,000 Indian rupees. So is it worth it? The answer depends on where are you buying it from. In China, the pricing is quite competitive for the specs you are getting. However, in India, the higher the price point makes it a tougher sell, especially when you compare it to the other flagship devices available in the market. The Magic 6 Pro comes with a stunning display, powerful processor, and an immersive camera setup. It handles multitasking and gaming with ease, making it a great choice for power users. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a fantastic device with top-notch specs and build quality. If you are in China, it is a no-brainer at its price point. But in India, you will need to weigh the higher cost against its features to decide if it is right phone for you or not. What are your thoughts about this and where are you watching from? Tell me in the comments below and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.